just minding my business, scrolling on Instagram, where I saw a video of a woman who was demonstrating how she was able to use a product that helped cure her under eyes. Now, I suffer from that issue as well. I think you can see it better like this. So after stalking different websites and looking in the comments, I was able to actually go on his website. It's Peter Thomas Roth website. I actually ordered 2 of them. They gave me some goodies in this pack. Looks like a couple of samples. Looks like an eye mask. I'll definitely be trying that. Got some cleansers and everything. It was free shipping when I think you order $50 or more. So this is Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer, which I definitely need. And this is Cucumber Gel Mask Detox Extreme Detox Hydrator. So these are definitely products I can use because I have dry skin. And this is the mask. It's like a separate bundle type situation, sample situation. So this is hydrating gel patches. I'm excited about this actually. I've been meaning to try these, but I haven't gotten around to it. And this is the skincare. This is a anti-aging cleaning gel, and this is a sample of the water drench. So I wanted to try out the product, see for myself exactly what the hype is about. So and applying a little bit on the back of the hand, as it says, a pea-sized amount. And then it says to take a nylon brush. I'm assuming it's a synthetic brush, but I'm not sure how this product is gonna do. So I just got a random no-name brush that I had laying around. And I'm actually going to apply some on the brush. And it says apply it on the eye area in an upward motion, a thin layer. So the upward motion, I'm thinking, is because you want to lift. And then it says wait for 5 minutes. It says without squinting or doing any type of expressions. me just take this opportunity to look over let the product dry for 5 minutes. Do not squint or smile. Most people won't get a white residue when applying the product thinly and smoothly, especially with a makeup brush. If you apply too heavily and see whitening around the edges, simply moisten a cotton swab or your fingertip and remove the excess, gently patting the edges. Okay. So, do y'all see any improvement here? I feel it tingling. I feel like it's really tingling. I feel like there is a slight difference. That side, now this side. Yeah. I don't know if I have to wait longer or put more on. Where'd that glitter come from? Well, I'd say it helps to a certain degree. Maybe I'm not applying it correctly, or maybe I need to change how I apply it. Maybe next time I'll use my finger to do it. I don't know. All right, well, for firmness, definitely. I give it a smooth 7. I'm gonna try using it some more and see if there's any improvement. But I do like the fact that it did take the puffiness down a little bit. It looks okay. Well, I'll do a follow-up video once I do it and apply makeup and see if it changes anything. All right, that's all I had, you guys. Thanks.